Simplify. Write your answer in the proper form of a complex number, a plus bi, a real part plus an imaginary part of the complex number. So if we look at this expression, -7 subtract the square root of -36. The square root of a negative number is where the imaginary numbers come from. That would be 6i. The square root of 36 is 6, and because I had a negative in the inside is why I have I. And the square root of -49 is a 7i. So if we want to subtract these two complex numbers, -7 minus 6i subtract -4 plus 7i, we're going to want to distribute this subtraction into both terms of that complex number. So a -4 is +4, and a +7i is a -7i. So again, what we're going to do with these two complex numbers is add like terms. -7 plus 4 is -3, and a -6i added to a -7i is a -13i. So that's written in the proper form of a complex number, the real part followed by the imaginary part. It says add bi, but we just want the addition or subtraction sign between the real part and the imaginary part. Let's look at another example. Now we're wanting to take the square root of -9. The square root of 9 is 3, but because of the negative sign, we get 3i. And we want to take the square root of -1. Well, that is just simply I. So we want to subtract these two complex numbers. So we really want to change this to adding and take that negative and give it to both terms of that complex number. That'll make the 8 negative and the I positive. So if we want to take 2 plus 3i and add -8 plus I, we'll take the real parts and add those together, giving us -6. And then adding the imaginary parts, a +3i and one more I, is 4i.